Bro.
Today we are going to draw shapes.
Ah! What? Where is it? Where are they?
What's the matter,
Well,
Jeannie?
aren't you scared?
What would I be scared of?
Because it's scary apes.
No, not apes. Shapes. We're going to draw shapes.
Shapes?
Uh-huh.
I thought you said apes.
I know. You silly girl.
Oh, it gave me quite a scare there. Oh, yeah, let's draw some shapes.
Let's draw some shapes. Today we're going to draw 3 different shapes that match the rule fewer than 5 angles. Okay?
Wow.
Then we're going to draw 2 shapes that do not match the rule fewer than 5 angles, meaning they will have more than 5 angles.
Got it.
Or 5 angles or more, I should say. Okay, now if we're going to draw shapes with fewer than 5 angles, that means we will draw shapes with less than 5 angles.
Yeah.
4 angles, 3 angles. But remember, 2-dimensional shapes do not have 2 angles or only 1 angle, okay? So the shapes we're going to draw here are shapes that have 3 angles or 4 angles, okay?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, now, do you remember the name of the shape that has only 3 angles?
Oh, that's a triangle.
Triangle, that's right. Good.
Right.
So let's go ahead and begin with that shape.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. Magic.
Wow.
Look at that. That is a triangle.
Ta-da!
Now, does this triangle have 3 angles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good
Sure
job.
does.
Yes, So, okay, so this is definitely a shape with fewer than 5 angles, right? It matches the rule.
It does.
Okay, so let's draw another shape that matches the rule. Let's try drawing one with 4 angles.
Okay.
Now, 4-angled shapes are called quadrilaterals. Do you remember that word, quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral.
And there are many different quadrilaterals we can draw. Let's draw this one. Well, I did a little drawing before I saw you, Jeannie. I'm just going to bring on my shape that I drew.
Hey, that's a rectangle.
That's exactly what that is. That's a rectangle. This is a quadrilateral, and its name is rectangle. Now, how many angles does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, this has 4 angles. Good. Let's draw another shape with 4 angles.
Okay.
Okay, I did this ahead of time, too. Do you remember the name of that one?
Oh, it's like a
trapezoid.
Yeah, trapezoid.
A trapezoid. Good. And you can count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That one has 4 too.
That's right. Okay, so good job. Now, let's go ahead and draw 2 shapes that don't match the rule. Now we are going to draw 2 shapes that do not match the rule. That is, they do not have fewer than 5 angles. Now, if they don't have fewer than 5 angles, then that means they have 5 angles or more.
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to draw shapes with 5 or more angles.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with a shape with 5 angles. Now, we learned before that a pentagon has 5 angles. So let's draw a pentagon. Here we go. There's 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. So here, let's count them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 angles.
Now let's draw a shape with 6 angles.
Okay.
Now, it turns out a hexagon has 6 angles. Every hexagon that we could possibly draw has 6 angles.
Oh, boy.
So, let's see. Let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I just drew is a figure, a shape with 6 sides, and that means there are going to be 6 angles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there we did it. We just drew 2 shapes with 5 or more angles, a pentagon and a hexagon. So there we have it. We finished our puzzle.
Those are great shapes. You know, I'm so glad that they weren't 8s.
Oh, me too. That could have been scary.
Yeah, right? Woo!
Oh my goodness, did you hear that?
I did.
Maybe we shouldn't be here.
Yeah, it looks like I picked a bad day to have a banana sandwich. Let's go!